Okay guys, we're about to get into this unboxing of the Mova Z60 Ultra. This is the robot vac and mop with auto empty and mop self-cleaning. As we get into this, you'll see we're pulling out the base station ramp extension plate. Very neatly packaged. Now we're pulling out the base station itself. You'll see Clean Latifah rolling around in the back. It's a very sleek look. It's got a kind of a black metallic look to it. Very clean face. You'll see it's got the Mova sign in the front. And that little front cover you see is where the soap dispenser is housed in the dust bag, which we'll show later in the video. Let's slide that out of the way. Now here is the robot itself, the Z60 Ultra. Everything comes in its own little dust bag, which is nice. Keep it clean. As we pull this out, just kind of tighten this bag. But it's a very, very nice robot vacuum. And again, this is a robot vac and mop. As you see, it's got its own plastic covering protecting the surface. Stickers protecting the sensors and the camera. That's a camera in the front. It's a little bit taller than our previous Mova vac. As we turn it around, you can see the roller, a little bit different than the old vac we have. Instead of 2 mop pads, it has a mop roller. Now it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is nice. And as we open up our additional pieces, we have some roller mops. We have some main brush replacements. We have soap. We have pet odor solution. We have a couple more dust bags and a couple side brushes as replacements, and some filters as well, which is very nice. I think our previous Mova, which is Clean Latifah, you'll see her rolling around in the video, didn't come with all these extra accessories. And now we're getting into the base station. There's the power cord. And there's Clean Latifah again. I don't think she's too happy with the possible replacement. User manual. We clip on the base station ramp. Took a little bit of force, but not too much. It just clips into place. You see me kind of work it in. And that is our base station. Now we're gonna take a look at what's inside that cover I was telling you about earlier. So that's our dust bag, and that is our soap solution for the pet odor solution and the cleaning solution. very nice. Just slides in, and you can kind of feel it click into place. And then at the top we have our clean water reservoir and our dirty water reservoir. And here's our robot and our base station together. Move all our stickers. You'll see as I open the cover, there's some padding installed there. It clips in. Thought there might have been a sticker on the top of the sensor there, but it wasn't. Just clean. Turn around back and take a couple more stickers off. Now as we turn it over, you'll see our roller mop, 2 orange brushes. It's very nice, very easy to come off for cleaning or replacement. There's a little button on the side you press and pops right out. Same with the main brushes. See the difference between our previous model and our new model. This is definitely a lot smaller, a lot shorter. There Dirt Reynolds goes on his first mission. Right now he's mapping the house, which is a pretty neat feature. And as you get into yours, you'll see that the map is really nice. It maps out very well, and you can change the map to 2D or 3D. But yeah, that's our Mova Z60 Ultra. Stay tuned for the next video.